you want to blow the balloon?
With a magic trick.
Let's start it. This is what?
Vinegar.
This is what, Pipu?
Baking soda.
Okay. So when we add vinegar with baking soda, so we will see what will happen. So first, pour some vinegar in a bottle.
Mommy. Now let's add some colors.
Okay, so which color do you want to add?
Green.
Mix it, mix it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Okay.
Outside the balloon.
Yes, now take one by one balloon and we will add what? What we are going to add in the balloon?
We are going to add some baking soda.
In the balloon.
The balloon.
Okay, so now let's add some baking soda in a balloon. So this is the balloon and this is the baking soda and we are adding baking soda in a balloon. So now we need to attach this balloon to the bottle. So can we attach orange balloon to the orange bottle?
Yes.
So guys, the balloons are ready. Now,
The magic.
Wow!
wow! See the magic!
Wow!
Now the green one. Oh wow! It's beautiful.
Wow!
So nice. And the orange one. Oh yay! See? The balloons blown by magic. So guys, do you know what does happen? When we add vinegar with baking soda, the carbon dioxide gas forms and the gas comes up and the balloons start blowing. So you can also try this at your home under the supervision of your mom or dad and have the fun. So people, are you enjoying? So give me the high five! Yay! So guys, thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please do subscribe, like and share. Bye!